Hello, English learners! Welcome back to Storytime on Everyday English. Today, we have a new story for you. It is our second story. This story is about a brave little friend. The story is called Max's Sunny Flower Quest. Please listen very carefully. Try to follow the adventure. It will help you learn new words. It will help you understand English better. Let's start our new story. In a green, green forest lived a little friend named Max. Max was very small. He had a green hat. He had big, kind eyes. Max loved the forest. He loved the trees. He loved the animals. Max had a best friend. Her name was Bella. Bella was a butterfly. A very beautiful butterfly. She had blue wings. Bella loved flowers. She loved to drink sweet nectar. But Bella had a problem. Bella was a little shy. She was a little afraid. She liked to fly low, very low, near the ground. She did not like to fly high, not high in the sky. She felt a little scared. Max saw Bella. "Bella," Max said, "why do you fly so low?" Bella looked at Max. Her blue wings moved slowly. "Oh, Max," Bella said softly, "I want to fly high, but I am not brave enough." Max thought for a moment. He wanted to help his friend. "I know," Max said. "You need a sunny flower. A sunny flower can make you brave." Bella looked up. "A sunny flower?" she asked. "Yes," Max said. "The sunny flower grows on top of Whispering Hill. It is very special. Its light gives bravery." Bella sighed, "But Whispering Hill is far, and it is high." "Don't worry, Bella," Max said. "I will go. I will get a sunny flower for you." Bella's eyes became big. "Oh, Max, will you really go?" "Yes, I will," Max said, "for my best friend." Max put on his green hat. He waved goodbye to Bella. His quest began. A quest for bravery. A quest for a sunny flower. Max started his journey. His little legs began to move. First, Max walked through the green forest. Soon, Max came to a place with very tall grass. The grass was taller than Max, much taller. Max pushed the grass with his small hands. He pushed left, he pushed right. The grass moved, swish, swish. Max walked slowly. He kept pushing. He kept moving forward. He thought about Bella. He thought about the sunny flower. Finally, after a long walk, Max saw bright light. He was out of the tall grass. He felt a little tired, but he felt good. He looked ahead. He saw a blue stream, a sparkling stream. The stream was wide, too wide for Max to step over. The water in the stream was very clear. It made a soft sound, gurgle, gurgle. The sun shone on the water. The water sparkled, sparkle, sparkle. "How can I cross?" Max thought. He saw some stones, big, flat stones. They were in the water. "I can jump on the stones," Max said. He took a deep breath. He jumped from stone to stone. Boing, boing, boing. He was careful, very careful. He landed safely on the other side. He was across the sparkling stream. "I did it," Max thought. He felt happy. He felt proud. He looked up. He saw a big hill. It was Whispering Hill. Max started to walk towards Whispering Hill. The hill was green. It was big. It was tall. It made a sound, a soft sound, whoosh, whoosh, like the wind was talking. That is why it was called Whispering Hill. Max started to climb. He took one step up, then another step up. His little legs worked hard. The path up the hill was steep. It went up very fast. Max held onto small rocks. He held onto strong roots. He kept climbing, step by step, slowly, slowly. He heard the wind whisper, whoosh, whoosh. It sounded gentle. Max felt a little tired, but he remembered Bella. Bella needed the sunny flower. I must keep going, Max thought. I must be brave. He looked up. The top of the hill seemed close now. He took one last big step, and then he was there, on top of Whispering Hill. The wind blew gently on his face. It felt cool. He looked around. He saw the whole forest. Everything looked small from the top. Max felt happy. He looked for the sunny flower, and then he saw it, a beautiful, bright flower. It was the sunny flower. The flower was golden yellow, like the sun. It seemed to glow. Max carefully picked the flower. He held it in his small hands. The sunny flower felt warm. It smelled sweet. "Oh, Bella will be so happy," Max said. He smiled a big smile. Now, Max needed to go back to Bella. He started to walk down Whispering Hill. Going down was easier than going up. He walked slowly down the path. He came to the sparkling stream again. He jumped on the stones. Boing, boing, boing. He crossed the stream quickly. He walked to the tall grass. He pushed through the grass. Swish, swish. He walked back on the path in the green forest. Max felt excited. He was bringing bravery to his friend. He walked faster now. He wanted to see Bella's happy face. He saw Bella waiting for him near the small flower. Max walked to Bella. Bella saw the sunny flower in Max's hand. Her blue wings flapped quickly. Flap, flap. "Oh, Max, you found it," Bella said. Her voice was happy. Max smiled. He gave Bella the sunny flower. Bella gently touched the flower with her tiny legs. The flower glowed softly. Its golden light touched Bella's wings. Bella felt a change. She felt warm. She felt strong. She felt brave. Bella opened her blue wings wide, wider than before. She took a deep breath. Then Bella started to fly. She flew up, 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 up. She flew higher than the grass, higher than the trees. She flew high in the sky, very, very high. Max looked up. He saw Bella flying. She was a small blue dot in the big blue sky. Bella was brave. She was not afraid anymore. Max clapped his hands. He felt so happy for his friend. Bella landed. She landed gently on Max's hat. "Thank you, Max," Bella said. "You made me brave. You are a true friend." Max smiled. "You were brave, Bella. The flower just showed you." Max felt warm inside. He felt full of joy. He helped his friend. He went on a quest. He was brave too. Friendship is very special. Helping friends is very special. And sometimes a little flower can make a big difference. What do you think about Max's quest? Did you like Bella's story? Do you have a friend you would help? What makes you feel brave? Think about your own friends and adventures.
That was a wonderful adventure, Max's Sunny Flower Quest. We hope you enjoyed listening to our second Storytime episode and learned many new words about nature, actions, and feelings. Remember, listening to English stories every day is a fantastic way to improve your English understanding and imagination. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our stories. If you liked this Storytime episode, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories and lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more videos for you. Thank you for listening, and we will see you in the next Storytime or Everyday English video.